How to maintain the 100% battery health on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So to do this, you have to open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Now tap on battery health and charging, and here you will see our optimized battery charging button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button it will help you to maintain the 100% battery health. So I have turned off this feature, so that's why my battery health is not 100%. So turn on this feature and it will help you to maintain the 100% battery health. And after turning on this feature, open settings again. Now scroll down and tap on display and brightness, and from here if you have enabled light mode, then switch to the dark mode, and after switching to dark mode it will also help you to use less battery, and switching to dark mode will also help you to maintain the battery level to 100%. Now here tap on always on display. So if you have enabled always on display, then it will use your battery when you are not using your phone. So tap on this button to turn off always on display, and after turning off always on display the battery health will remain 100%. So these are some steps that you can take to maintain the 100% battery health on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.